Ebusuafo na de ete ho ano no ntie ne ye beto akase ebo no so na yakoso ada ko yanim akenka akase ebo no so e de amamum mampanyini na nadodan kwa kufuado asona wo mpre kwa bema boada enwa wapadwumadie bi eho entoma e won krapumpuni e mantemu a enya asem ketu akra o se Ghana Smart Schools Project na numu na ye ma wo mo free SHS wo pepe ba kwa chiri pomiensa nya nkwada ketoa safo nyina ye be mo tablet na wo matumi so e de asuade na no na beboa wo nom yesi wei wo obi a se be eburu wani kure nwade a waye bibi wo so abetimi de unsa keka ho so betimi de asuade e na we no emfa ho se mi o data na se mi ni data ni nyina no wo betimi ayusu na etumi aboa nya de ode kwatra TikTok so abrazu bi ani we ye de ode ba be suade na bra ode dwumadie no ntoma pa no ehhehye so ewon kran no obomu amane se ni nyina ye nani so ade hu ne kwampa wo fa so ama nhuma su atumi atode agira ne naso wo bre wiase nyina kwa ho ye mu no o my Ghana so anye echefa no ye ntumi ye ne nto nchen ewo nhuma su ho wo be konkoden akonanim wo se mu amu wo suku pon mo ne mo da kyerese mo so saada ene laptop si ye be mam bi na no de ye bo no ye bete so kakra na ye tumi so ede amam.
In furtherance of our digitalization agenda in the education sector, government is proceeding with plans to distribute 1.3 million educational tablets to students in senior high schools. That is one student per tablet under the Ghana Smart Schools project. The tablets are fitted with digital contents to aid research, teaching and learning. At the tertiary level, government plans to provide at a discounted price tablets and laptops to students and lecturers to facilitate academic work. Though largely successful, government continues to seek innovative ways to boost further the free SHS policy. Government is convinced that the next phase of free SHS enhancement will be propelled by digitalization. This will allow a seamless online and offline teaching and learning experience. Indeed, the enhanced free SHS school will be environmentally friendly, boost academic performance, fitted with interactive displays, interactive learning, and increase productivity. This will allow a seamless online and offline teaching and learning experience.
Asuna wampre kwa bema boada Ghana mampanyini na nadodan kwa kufuado ena said ye wo boa ma Ghana mebunu a jejina traffic muto PK eni chi ngone nieme nyina de na obenya aggregate 75 okra wo ko school work dia kan de eboa wonom na saa asem we ya na nwumasuamu suafo doctor say ya waduchum enso de na no atum bie se emfa ho eni sikasemu a ho kire tipto wiase nyina mo Ghana so yenya ye chefa no eba nwumasuamu aban na yire kokko atwantoma de sine kokko so bedu obetum biada magana mebunu wo nwasua so atumi akonkan enwasua be konkan ana mu akade nso eka ho ene ne nam so emasa smart school project na adan kwa kufuado ede aba wo so obetumi we nanim busia ne se dokota na wo kire bebre ba ye wo mu na mo de stade ya mo nti se dogo bi no aba mo di sika ewura nwasua mu saa wo se an pani papa bi ade dom wani mu a eyade nwasua so be na ni so ade hum tiemfa ho se a ho kire wo sika semu enema nko yie de nenso woman to me woman and tonchen and until now by what they at the above brainy akadi ebo wura enwumasiamu TVT and sanujuma nwumasia nyina eya de amampani na ni de akira wo hwe se ebekoyanim.
The future of our education system is what we are witnessing today, and live participation from our schools across the country, the first of its kind at this Ministry of Education. The future is here. We are actually embark on an agenda for the transformation of Ghana. The future of Ghana couldn't be brighter than what we are seeing. We are on a trajectory to a great future. And I can assure you, under Nana Danko Kufuado, a foundation has been laid. We are building on it. The future is here today. Ghana will be a great participant in the fourth industrial revolution. We will win. And the winning begins from today.
Eda was say wadu twum no wono ene ye nwomasuamu soafo enso ewo ma no emmom Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam emprempre wono na ye wo ma no foto sansoafo no akopie mu ewo temaporto e wono koya Ghana Revenue Authority wo bo wono mabaso so ko hetiti bremu se de nkasika eva enantemu ne eda ne kwa adanchi ye hunu ba bia ye bu nkonta no de agu wo magina wo mo na so aye dwumason wo se nkeka bebre wo se temaporto ene corruption ye ntwemfam ye ncheni nanso adwuma wo ma ye ne yade a wo msaba so bode o se ba ibe no obi susu se bia mbe ha mani e de akire mu nemom be be se mi nkura ne nanso mo ma mutiri mu nyamo de esamo kakode wodo se de nanu Yesu Kristo ka kire asuafo no mo se adwuma na adwuma nyina ye nyaare wo se mo kan kode wodo wogu asem no bu man pata bebre nti mo so mo nyina mo ho na mo kan kode wodo na mo nyi sika emfam wa wo man no ne mfanye empuntuo wo wie ye eno se wo se de na mo pani commander no e kasa no edi adanse pefe samo ye djuma eko enkane nanso ebi ate akam ye samo ye munyina aka ho osemenya ne ntiase ase ne ma binum so ayira yira ye ne mpanifo be sinkonwa ne ehu asem no enadu egubre.
But I'm sure you may and many other people may be expecting that my visit here is to talk down the progress we have made as an institution, to blame you and to chastise you. Unfortunately, that is not the reason I'm here. I'm here rather to encourage you, to motivate you. The data shows that when people do well, you love them, you commend them. And when the sector commander spoke, she clearly showed to me that you have been doing well. If you collected 95% of your targets in 2023, that is a decent performance. But you also know that year to date in 2024, you are short by about 11.3%. And so like every institution all over the world, even where your performance is excellent, there is need for improvement so that you can maintain that excellence. And so, as I commend you for the great job you have been doing.
Dr. Amin Adam ono na ye fotro sanso afo monetary policy committee ya ewo wo men ye bango batem wo de aba betu dwase ne kobo besia ham ntemu aduonu nkro no da so gina ba bi egina amrado Dr. Enes Addison won no den sentwofo twetwe nkomo o se 2023 busu mienu ana ya edikan no inflation no epeja ni mu ekakra so ode toto afia die hu a ti se ntiade petrol ene fango eto ene niam nkakra kra etisa no ene peja ni mu kakra na so ye di obetumi biada so obekire ni nyina da drogon na atumi di aboa emunkuntabo die wacheche mu bebre.
Policy implementation so far has been broadly consistent with targets under the IMF ECF supported program. Although the primary fiscal balance target for 2023 was attained, the fiscal assessment is made on commitment basis. This will require vigilance to ensure that commitment control is effective in 2024. Revenue flows in the first 2 months of the year are lower vis-a-vis targets, and expenditures have been fast-paced, driven largely by clearance of arrears in the energy sector. It is expected that revenue flows will pick up in March as the deadline for filing tax returns in April approaches. After decelerating sharply in 2023, the pace of disinflation has slowed in the first 2 months of the year. Although inflation rose slightly in January 2024 and edged down in February, the latest inflation forecast suggests a slightly elevated profile from the possible upward revision in transport fares, adjustment in utility tariffs, higher export petroleum prices, and some depreciation.
we ya omano bank batan penny kwanchefo odano se amrado Dr. NS Addison Investment Holders Forum wonum so ani abreden dende so msika ye de akototo ba bi se gya de investment de ato pressure ni diabetes ni prostate nura sabre akamu no wamsere yemfo ma de nso ema wonom na 2023 mebu sumi no mu a ena wo tworo nkrata de koma afoto sanso afo esre ne se we de emeje besia na mesabe me ko wansa mo sem ko twami du ya ntwa ma me so a metwa kotonso entimi nkokamu saa enti wo sere yemfo ma de emfama wo mo Dr. Eduana ne antwi we leading member o na di domo animu a woni Sompa nsentwefo nso etwetwe enkomo anopa no nsia kase bo wuti every Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV Ghana wani kusu se ya wutwe bia akre ya menke kan wo ba seriki maji akantenyu a midwa mu nso se kontonkro soro mede emam National Communication Authority wonu na ekasei be na wotwe yekwa na wotwe mienu ni Ghana yenka bi nhemu o de be wan se network nyina date akotomu ni nyina da ne se nhoma egu aponfinfin maame watane ne mei eye party de na din wom te sa achim odan wo ta ba we bia na efre na Brangela akwa chempa bo akati akoteti ahoma so mani nyina da akobubu ekoye nsemsem bebre nanno ene yese yentume ntranse ema de bia so ha bi sei si ana cheso man no yehusi ye kwata na se ye kokwadwo wono ye nhyehyeye se de be ne mpani se hu ye hu ni mprebie bo se bibi se si a Ghana de ne be ya yebetumi so aboye ho adwa Director General Edema National Communication Authority Dr. Joe Anochi ene ye waben papa MPP for beto aba mu coalition nyina da papa yi ene ye hu adwuma what the resource no beto se biam tumirika kwa hani India ubeba no de okaye no sa pepepe yesi nipa ben awaben wono ene wo kirem yi wo se aban no wo ye ntotoye be sisi mpampim aye ekwan foforo ya se de bi wo wenne se bi ko unity a Ghana ye hu koka adwam kra
April 2020 NCA directive, which I just showed to you, all videos were directed to connect to three physical, have connection to three cables. It was very important that they did that. Now, as part of the above arrangements, 80 decided that instead of terminating all three cables here in the cables in Ghana, they decided to extend one of the leg to a cable company that is not in Ghana but is in Nigeria. So that explains to you, and that cable did not go down. That explains to you why on Thursday 14th, 80 had connectivity to the rest of the world, because they were using a cable that was not impacted. They rely on the directive that we gave them and added value to it. So,
Director General Edema National Communication Authority Dr. Joe Anochinono wabe pa Ghana ha obi a oto aba wonimu entokro ni abom he what the resource ne to MPP coordination center o se bia nanti free Kumasi ko Australia obeba no aneda ho ye hu so a enye yi wabe pa metapo ne ho sira ni bi ema me ba be ma da chi me wono no ye koyenim na Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference na worker say was na nado danko akufo ado turumudie ho mra ide abeto animu a ase wo ya tintintinti no emwa wo afefu to ni bi so enkonfa emra hye fie tiame papa bamba ben ya wono so na nado ansan krata asofo ayabo omudin ayere kwan se yewura Matthew Jemensa Costa techima sa ato yabo ni din ade dwuma de be hye ne nsa na papa yi akoso ato aye mpuntudwuma abamba ben so sa chinchina twintwan no Catholic Bishop Conference se ehia mumi anu nyina munko benkro na de mututu se beboa ne wo man ne mfaso no monye ne mfaso mra na turumudie de ya anyi tumu o etomu ewo Ghana ha emani nyeye na Reverend Matthew Akwasi Jamfi ya o president de ma Ghana Bishop Conference wona no de asemi tu job bra no ne nsentwefo etwetwe nkomo
even say emra shebedwafo ena wo ma hihye emra ena Ghana ha de nim say o mo ye emra emra so o mo de komampini ho komampini odin nsa ehyasie se mampani ewo bibi ka otimi esan edebrɛ no no mo ye enti saa ni na we ya ye dia kwa komampini ya ye hwehwa nse odin nsa ebehyasie ana wo bibi ewo kanwa one fan to parliament na senior yemra etie na ma kwan so mo ye no omo ye ni sa pepepe ya se na de emi se de to ni na Ghana fo nyina ni no na ya akoba se yes, you be at the Supreme Court. No, and yes, and you need yes, and maybe and ma will be quite yes, idea you need. So maybe I will say, will be chief parliament, president, and then now one of the Assembly Court. I better same way, a China parliament, I didn't see me and say, 9 years. I will be to me the court. Nipana fan court, you know, yeah, so I'm going near one working, what they bother sister, yeah. Parliament, any Ghana for United. But you need to be a number of you, a man of Kwamo, yes, idea, you need to more minimum run, one yes, and review hossa, and review any horse idea. Argentina, my penny, yes, send reviews of what my penny, international, yes, idea. Not just one, I show Mombrana here, a passa. You have the any chance of my penny was inside the chassis. You work in a small. Yeah, my penny, but you make Ginasua Cate, some where we are,
Reverend Matthew Akwasi for President Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference. Na yesi di wonu mutuo enye dinigina kire no ano na bekwen so fatanoa e fatana kunu onye kwankwa ni ase wan wasem na mebekan ye ahode ne esuafo Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe wode hye ba katachie da chene wono no wakase na nsen kane ani ibu ne papa ene nkrofo se na dum so na abei ene yenye tamu table ene Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe se dum so biara mai we ye dum sie wa kakra ho ene ye nwa adwuma timu amo frese yemfa tam table ma wa ya wa tam table no fabra beto abonte Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe ene nkrofo busa na sem ene ose said wode no kredie na ne hu wode ne hu ni awa na adwuma no wonti mi ntwatro se kanea no o hawo kakra mamu na nso entumi fa ntoto amfie na bia coastal enam nyina da pro ya yi tugu ye no wo mu kuso mo ye adwuma enti tam table bia ni wa epi abonte dum so bia la nso eni ba bia da huteri Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe that's
comparing 4 years MPP administration energy sector is 300 times better than John. Nobody has said we haven't. I'm just saying it's far much better than John Mama ever did. That is the word you used. I have never used that word. I promised you that we are going to work on it. And it's not a work that is a single event. It's a process. And we'll continue to work on it. So the energy sector will become better. I ask those who want to bring it. If there is, I haven't seen any timetable. So
my people are calling for it.
They bring a timetable. What do you mean? The ECG says that there is no timetable coming. Why do you want to bring a timetable? What purpose? Why would somebody get up and wish evil or bad for the country? At least so, when it is not planned, you can't tell the person. If you live in this country,
me fene na kono Vice President Fatano. Ye wadisheba Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe wakasa esu na mi gina no pay na mde kase ebo emu hwam sem di nyina da be na wie ye hye so so to ase ntini twetwen edu anadwo ntumi mu pa sisimu nyina atoa woju ho hwe enye ya 21st clinic we are the certical expert 15 branches across Ghana oboase cancer cortes kumase ben Alpha Radio ehwa ewo ne ebutuo ena enkran so dome market achi tachiman enkransa eni sunwaye nso ye gine mu miso eni 5G to shefri jimne ntonsuo tigu hu dia ena mo minimu gugura de ye papa jibi Easter ya ye kofie etua no na etua odofo ano na mo de cheese mu wi amate egu mpa so na ni mfumpa mo bro mu mfumpa ise wo mna samoa de bia wo ba wo yi ba ko ato packet no de asifi wo ba ba ko sengere wan etua ne nsa so mna samoa ni hu se no wa de abehye fridge mu edura na dwo no be ni shu an me yama no na anom etibo moden se wo nso wo beje wo de azante ebo akwaku Benedict oyeda ewa ezi asafunum wono eni semufo pani ya ochechire nso ede so ame agose so mu asodela oba fefe na naire ai ewurabai wa betre fidie na chi Kevin so ejina mu MCR hwa ya dwuma kama ama me ohinini ama krancha da zo asof mami premier ni wo ba pa mesa wo ba seriki woman king makenkan edi amount yes sorry de yewura o ma he ya wadubu ache wo betena se ama wiase nyina achi
21st clinic yes sciatica